Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful jewelry set. It's super easy to make, and the result is so stylish. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. Also, if you're interested in buying any of the materials, I get them from Temu, and the link is in the description below. Don't forget to use my promo code for an extra discount. Now, let's see what materials we need. 4 mm pearl beads, 6 mm pearl beads, 11/0 seed beads, pearl earring stud, 4 mm bicone beads, jump rings, 0.12 mm beading thread. First, pick up 6 4 mm pearl beads and 6 11/0 seed beads onto your needle. Bring them down, then pass back through all the beads to tie a few knots. Cut the excess thread. Now, bring the needle out from a seed bead. Pick up 3 new seed beads and pass back through the same seed bead. Repeat this process on all the seed beads. Pass the needle through the side seed bead, then up to the top seed bead. Now pick up 1 seed bead, 1 4 mm bicone bead, and 1 seed bead, then pass it through the next top seed bead. Repeat this process around the entire piece. Now, bring the needle out from the top seed bead. Pick up 3 more seed beads and pass back through the top bead to create a loop for the jump ring. Again, pass the needle through the loop to reinforce it, and pass around the outer beads to ensure strength and durability. Now, pass the needle to the inner side, towards the base, and bring it out from the 4 mm pearl bead. Now, pick up the 6 mm pearl and pass the needle through the opposite side pearl bead. Then pass back through the 6 mm pearl, entering from the opposite side from where you started, to secure it in the center. Now, pass the needle through a few beads, tie a few knots and cut the excess. Now, attach the jump ring to the earring piece and the pearl earring stud to secure it. Your earring is ready. This earring is truly beautiful and stylish, and it's so easy to make, perfect for beginners. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, please comment below, and I will surely reply. See you in the next video.